Good afternoon, traders. It is Thursday, March 23rd, 2017, and U.S. stock market is closed. Hey, I'm sorry I'm getting this out really late today. Had a lot to do, but it was a crappy day, and it's really easy to put it off when we've had a crappy day. We had some really good days here. The last 2 days seems like everything went perfectly, and okay, the streak ended today. Nothing went perfectly today. We got into 10 positions and 0 were positive and 10 were negative. That's a pretty bad percentage of wins. That's no wins and all losses. That's what happened to us today. I called the Dow down for today, and I was correct on that. It ended up closing down 8 points, but you can see the pattern here. It rallied, pretty strong the first half of the day, and then it sells off and goes negative. And of course, that's the worst pattern for us, because what happens is we get into a bunch of stuff on the rally, and then it all just, turns negative, and that's exactly what happened today. That's why we have 10 negatives to no wins. We have open trade of negative $7,000. Actually, that's not too bad for having 10 losers, but God knows what it's going to do tomorrow. It got me a little nervous, because I look at this pattern, and normally I'd have to call the Dow down on that. A failed rally, and it's on kind of a down pattern anyway, so I'll call the Dow down, but hope it'll go up. We'll just have to see what happens. As far as what we closed out, we didn't do too badly. We closed out about negative 800 something, but of course that was positive yesterday, so that wasn't real good either. Just an all-around bad day. I don't have anything to show you, but I'll show you the worst trade. How about that? I don't have nothing good to show. I'll show you our worst trade. And this was in Momo. That's new stock. We had a good trade in that couple days ago, but today not so good at all. It took off with the Dow here, and we get in basically high tick of the day, and then it really fails with the Dow. We're carrying negative $1,700 in Momo, but this was the worst stock. Everything else was actually negative, but it was under $1,000. But still, you got 10 trades, all of them negative. It adds up, so that's where we're getting our negative $7,000. Anyway, not a very good day, but we'll see what happens tomorrow. This is Trader Bob signing off. I will be back here online tomorrow on Friday.